Hello. Today is Monday, June 15th, 2026. Here is your daily signal. According to Fortune, President Donald Trump has announced plans to sign a deal with Iran this Sunday to end the Iran war and reopen the strategically critical Strait of Hormuz, an agreement that notably excludes any financial concession to Iran. The Iran war has severely disrupted global energy supplies, closing off a vital corridor for oil shipments and putting pressure on U.S. political leadership to resolve the escalating economic and political costs. Diplomatic negotiations have intensified recently, with Pakistan mediating, and mine removal in the strait is now a central goal for restoring commercial shipping safety. Britain and France have signaled their intent to participate in demining, pending a pause in conflict, and these plans will be discussed at the upcoming G7 summit. Key facts include Trump's statement, made on June 13, 2026, that the deal will coincide with his 80th birthday and that Britain and France's support for mine removal has been publicly affirmed. If successful, reopening the strait will enhance global oil supply and ease energy volatility. Allied mine removal efforts could strengthen U.S.-European cooperation on security, and Trump's public signing of a peace deal could improve his standing at home despite resistance from some Republican factions. Stabilization in the Persian Gulf is likely to encourage further regional diplomatic engagement and reduce military spending over time. Next, on to the challenges of accelerating technology. Anthropic, the AI startup, has disabled access to its Fable and Mythos models after the U.S. government imposed new export controls barring foreign use, including by Anthropic's own foreign employees, reports Fortune. Rapid advances in generative AI, exemplified by these models, have sparked growing concerns around their potential national security implications, especially as the U.S. directive extends to foreign staff of American companies. CEO Dario Amodei has publicly stated that Mythos is powerful enough to pose a significant national security threat, prompting immediate intervention and shutdown on June 13, 2026. Industry leaders have noted that these swift moves by the Trump administration will send shockwaves across AI labs, potentially disrupting international research collaborations. The new restrictions may trigger similar controls for other AI labs, slowing innovation and increasing compliance costs. Global competition could shift as barriers rise between U.S. and non-U.S. technology ecosystems. Importantly, limiting foreign employee access could hinder talent pipelines and reduce tech sector diversity going forward. Now, turning to breakthroughs in quantum computing and digital assets. A superconducting quantum computer has successfully mined the experimental cryptocurrency QUIP, achieving faster results and better energy efficiency than traditional machines, New Scientist reports. Quantum computing, which leverages quantum mechanics to vastly accelerate calculations, is poised to disrupt the landscape of cryptocurrency mining, a process typically demanding intense computation and energy. Mining's energy footprint has become an acute issue, drawing regulatory scrutiny as blockchain networks like Bitcoin consume vast power globally. The demonstration by researchers using QUIP marks a significant step. Quantum hardware may both speed up mining and offer substantial energy savings. In the near term, quantum mining could lower operational costs for cryptocurrencies optimized for such technology and ease environmental pressures caused by legacy blockchain networks. Over the medium term, widespread adoption may force established cryptocurrencies to evolve their algorithms to guard against quantum threats, while triggering new regulatory frameworks and shifting competition dynamics in the digital asset market. Now, onto the markets. European stock markets saw mostly moderate gains, with the Netherlands outperforming thanks to EWN's 6.7% month-over-month rise. Spain also posted strong momentum, while Italy maintained steady growth. Chile's ECH advanced by more than 2.6% over the month. Belgium's EWK moved higher, picking up nearly 4.5%. Australia benefited from a notable move in EWO, gaining over 6% month-on-month. China's large-cap stocks gained above 1% day-over-day, despite a negative monthly trend. Japan edged higher as EWJ climbed about 0.6% on the day. India's INDER registered a 1.1% daily gain, keeping its momentum positive. Indonesia's IDX rebounded strongly on the day but has seen a monthly decline of over 12%. Commodities had mixed results as gold held steady after a volatile month. Silver recovered, up 0.77% on the day, but platinum dropped more than 20% this month. U.S. oil retreated sharply, closing down by 2.6% day over day and 11% for the month. Agriculture and corn remained weak, both ending sharply lower month on month. Sector-wise, the S&P 500 rose by 0.5%. Semiconductors led gains as stocks surged over 12% this month. Finance outperformed, with XLF up 1.3% daily and 4.6% month over month. Real estate and transportation sectors also saw positive momentum this month. That's it for today. You can find more news and details on our website. Goodbye.